Hi, kindergartners. One of your activities today for language arts is to do this phoneme sound activity, to do the tapping method. Like if the word was bat, you would go b-at, and bat has 3 sounds. Well, for today, I want you to get this paper that's on the screen, get that out. It was sent on the Monday's packet, and these are called sound boxes. And you're going to need this paper, and you're going to need your cubes for this. So go ahead and pause it to get your cubes and your sound box paper, and then we'll get going. All right, here's what we're going to do today. Instead of tapping, we are going to learn how to use these sound boxes. Now, if we were in class, we would actually be using this exact paper, only it's like a half sheet of paper. But we would also be using a Slinky. Have you played with a Slinky before? It starts out small and you can stretch it, stretch it, stretch it, stretch it. And you can get them like at the dollar store or at the teacher store or toy stores. They're really fun. But so what we're going to do is we're going to stretch out the words so that we can hear each sound. And then we're going to use the cubes to put them in each of the squares. One square is for one sound. Now, I don't have cubes, but I will just be drawing like a circle or something like that to do this. So, but before we do that, let's practice. I want everyone to pretend like you have a Slinky. See how I'm holding that? Just holding both ends. Okay, so you practice with your hand, and we're going to use the word cat. And we're going to stretch the word cat out as we say it so that we can hear all 3 sounds. So here we go. At. Cat. I'll do it with the Slinky. At. Cat. K is 1. A, 2, t. 3. Very good. So what if the word was pool? Like you get to go swimming in the pool. Get your pretend Slinky ready. We're going to stretch out the word pool and see how many sounds it has. P, oo, ol. 3. Very good. P, oo, ol. Excellent. All right. So now we're going to use our pretend Slinkies, or my real Slinky. And we're also going to use your cubes, and you're also going to use your sound paper. So the first word is going to be run. So step 1 is to stretch it out and see how many sounds it has. N. How many was that? Well, go ahead and take your cube, and I'll just put something in here, and it will go n. Run. So you should have a cube here, here, and here for 3 sounds. N. Run. Now, why do you think there's an arrow down here? Right down here. Why is that arrow here? Well, the reason that it's there is to help us remember that when we are reading or writing our name or writing anything, that we always start on this side. We don't want to start over here because then it would be backwards. So we start here and follow the arrow, just like when you are writing your name. If my name was Sarah, I could put an S there, Sarah, and I would have written my name the right way. Okay, I'm going to erase this, and you clear off your board, your Soundbox's board, so that we can do another one. Let's see, how about the word skate? All right, get your hands ready to stretch out the word skate. Here we go. Skate. Ooh, that was a long one. Let's do that one more time. Skate. Ooh, get your cubes ready. Let's see how we're going to do here. All right, the first sound was oh, I got to get mine ready. All right. Skate. So you should have a cube on all 4 boxes. Now take your finger, and I want you to touch each one as you say the sound. So I'm going to do mine with purple, but you're going to use your finger to touch. We're going to do the sounds. Here we go. Skate. Very good. It had 4 sounds. Now, it might have had more than 4 letters, but we aren't worried about that. We're only worried about sounds. Okay, now, as I clear mine, let's do one more. Let's see if I can trick you. What if we did, I'm looking at my little paper here because it has lots of ideas of words. Look at all these words I could use. I won't use all of them. Oh, here's a good one. This one we say a lot. Class, like kindergarten class. Get your slinky ready. Get ready to stretch out the word class. Here we go, nice and slow. Class. Very good. One more time. Class. Nice. I hope you're saying it out loud, because even when I'm practicing my sounds, I say it out loud. Now let's try it with our fingers. Ass. Oh, I bet you'll be able to put your cubes on there really fast for your sounds. Let me get mine ready. Okay, you put your cubes on, and I'll do mine on the computer screen. Here we go. Ass. Class. Awesome. Now take your finger and touch each one as you make the sound. Let's see, I'll do blue this time. Here we go. You touch with your finger. Ass. Class. Class has 4 sounds. Okay, you are ready to do your activity. Now, what I want you to do with this activity is for each one, each picture, and there's a fish and a turtle and a tie and a hat and a cow. I want you to show your grown-up that you're with how you can take and do stretch it out first, and how you can use your cubes in your sound boxes. Thumbs up if you've got this. Awesome. I cannot wait to see your finished work. Let's do one of them together. So go get your paper if you don't already have it out. Which one should we do together, and then you can do the rest? Ooh, I know. Let's do turtle together. I love turtles. Let's do turtle. Okay, so you have your paper there, and you're not going to circle how many sounds until we're all done with this part. So first, we're going to stretch it out. Turtle. I'll use my slinky. T, t, ol. Oh, I like that. Let's see. Let's do it one more time. T, ol. Whoops, I mixed it up. Let's do it again. T, t, ol. See, even teachers can leave out sounds. All right, I think I know how many sounds turtle is, but you use your cubes, and I'll do my board on here. And should I do purple this time? Okay, so for turtle, we gotta say it slow because it has a lot of sounds. Here we go. T, t, ol. Turtle. All right, now use your finger, and I will use red this time. Here we go. T, t, ol. 4 sounds. So you'll circle the 4 for turtle. Now all you have left is fish, tie, hat, and cow. You're going to do great at this activity. Have fun, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.